thank you so much for watching, and welcome to another episode in James DIY Garage. This is going to be a short video. I got a new set of shoes for my car. I got Michelin, their Pilot Sport AS4 all-terrain tires. So I bought these from Costco. Costco would not mount them, so we have to have them mounted elsewhere. So let's get this show on the road. Okay, we're over here at Radial Tire in Sacramento. It's just off of Fulton. This is what EU Tech recommended, that we have our tires mounted on my 2014 Maserati Ghibli behind me there. There she is. They're getting ready to do it. It's going to be a little difficult to see in there. Okay, here we are at EU Tech, and here's my car up on the alignment rack, getting its tires aligned. We got the units all the way around. I'm glad they let me back here so I can see, watch what's going on. So here's where we were. He's making adjustments on the back rear wheel there. You see him making the adjustments there. I better get out of his way. Looks like we're getting there. There you can see the new Michelin's on here. New shoes for my car. They're all seasons. And here's the front. This is the best they can get it, because some of the adjustments are maxed out. Typically that means I hit too many bumps. But he says it's the measurements are all good. There's nothing to worry about here. Okay, here's the full view here. He's got to do the two toes here. Once he completes that, then we're done. Okay, we are done. That toe is looking perfect. Excellent.
And the casket.
And my casket. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Good job.
No problem.
Well, I've got new meats on the car. Oh, the license plate. Yeah. Okay. Over at EU Tech, they had they have license plate covers. It says EU Tech Auto Repair on it, and I wanted to plug them wherever I went because they're friends and because I know they do good work. At any rate, what happened was, while he was trying to pull the license plate off, this broke. This receptacle broke. You can see the difference here between this one and this one. This one's got the screw and thing. This one doesn't have anything. I got to replace both of them before I can put the license plate on. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. I know I'm going to have to do it before our upcoming trip. Speaking of which, that's why I chose to buy tires now. At any rate, this is what they look like. New Michelin Pilot Sport all-season tires. Yeah, you've seen them. I bought the tires over at Costco, and it cost me $1,194. I had the tires mounted at Radial Tire off of Fulton on Cottage Way, and they charged me $120, $30 per side. And they did a really good job. They didn't scratch my rims or anything. That's what I was most worried about. I wanted to pick the right one, and they were recommended by EU Tech. So once I heard that EU Tech recommended them, and that I had a 1:30 appointment with EU Tech to get the front and back aligned, get the alignment done, they accommodated me by moving the first ticket over to the left, the second ticket over to the right, and putting mine right in between, so they can get me in and out and on my way on time to go get my car aligned. So thank you very much over there, you guys over at Radial Tire of Sacramento, off of Fulton on Cottage Way. Big shout out. So also like to give a big shout out to Renee over at EU Tech for getting me the appointment. Renee's a good friend. She's her and her dad own EU Tech, and they got me in and out of there in no time. The alignment was done. There were some discrepancies, but the tech inside, the EU Tech said that that's probably due to hitting some hard bumps, and when you hit hard bumps, sometimes the frame even gives just a little bit, just a tiny bit, enough to just throw your alignment off. So that's what the alignment's for. And once you get to that certain point where they can't make adjustments anymore, it just continues to get worse, and they have to do some more major repairs to your car. So so I'm not going to get into that. I'll just stay away from the potholes as much as I can. I haven't hit many. My tires, here's the old tires here. I chose now to replace my tires because we're going on a trip this weekend. It's a 4.5 hour trip down towards Yosemite. You can see the wear is really even, so there's no problem with my alignment. There was no problem with it before he did it. I just wanted it done just to see if there was any tweaks that could be done to improve it, and there were also some that he couldn't. So on the way home, I stopped off at Auto Nation Chrysler Dodge up in Roseville, and where my sister works. She's the warranty manager, and I got a good price on this 10 quarts of Pennzoil Euro full synthetic 5W40. The filter and the crush washers I get from EU Tech. I get a good price on that, because they get them from, I buy them from, because I know it's the OEM, but they get it from the dealership in the Bay Area, because I don't feel like driving down to the Bay Area to the dealership. So, because I do all my own oil changes. I'm not going to video this oil change because, well, you've seen all 3 of my videos. I've got 3 oil change videos. I'm not going to do another one. Now I get this done before this weekend, so it's just going to be, I'm just going to do it. I'm not going to do a video. So, hey, I don't have any car photos to feature because nobody submitted anything since the last video. So, please, if you guys want your cars, your hot cars, your Maserati, doesn't have to be Maserati, it can be any car. If you'd like it featured at the end of the video, please send a picture with a description, where you're from, to James DIY Garage at gmail.com. The email address is in the description below, or you can send it to you can post it in my Facebook page, James DIY Garage Facebook page, and the link to that is in the description below as well. And I will feature it in the next video that I do. I'm going to start doing some smaller, shorter, nonsense videos like this one, so that I can start featuring these videos. I want to get some more content out there. May not be the best content, but something that you guys can, so that you guys can see me more often. You can hear me blow off more often. At any rate, with that, on that bombshell, all you can see is my silhouette now. There we go. Now you can see me, sun. Anyhow, with that on that bombshell, I would like to thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Like this video and leave me some comments. Like the comments. I read the comments. I answer the comments. If you go through the comments on all my videos, you'll see that I've either liked them or I've commented on them. I've replied. I like reading the comments. I love it. So please leave me comments, thoughts, consideration. Anything that you like to say. You like the video. You don't like what you didn't like about the video. Shut up, James. Stop doing videos. Whatever. And just leave me some comments, feedback. And on that bombshell, this video is over. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.